Chemical Milling Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global chemical milling market size will be $176.9 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 4.5% from 2024 to 2031. North America chemical milling market size of $70.76 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 2.7% from 2024 to 2031. Europe chemical milling market share of over 30% of the global revenue with a market size of $53.07 million. Asia Pacific chemical milling market size of $40.69 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 6.5% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America chemical milling market size of $8.85 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 3.9% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa chemical milling market size of $3.54 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 4.2% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.